will be to deploy the bot, right? And I'll show you there's really two ways to deploy this bot. You can just like talk to the AI and just get it to do it for you. Or some people, they prefer to just click. So you can go into here, strategy details, start trading, right? And then when I'm in here, I link my broker, right? Run mode auto. For some reason I can't scroll on this page right now. Why? But yeah, you'd basically click, there's at the bottom of the page, you'd click the start button, right? Or you could do what I do is just tell the agent to deploy it for you. Okay, so here is the backtest as it's running. We'll let it finish. It's kind of fun watching these things, you know? This is October 2014, March 2015. So you can actually watch it as a backtest, which is pretty cool to watch, right? You know, so you can see the date, you can see how it's been doing, right? And then once this finishes, I'm going to tell the AI, deploy this. It'll let me basically pick my broker and all that, right? So yeah, so imagine your account started from 100 grand, you know, turn it to 1.5 million, 2.2 million, you know, those are pretty good numbers. Yeah. I've had some of my own money in this for a couple of months now. It's been doing pretty well. One of my favorite strategies, to be honest with you, we actually have a couple of strategies on our marketplace too. If you guys want to take a look at them, there's, you know, we have our diversified leverage on there. We have this strategy on there. We have a couple of option strategies. So if you guys want to look at our marketplace, we have a bunch of different things there too. So yeah, so imagine, you know, 100 grand turn into $10 million after, what is that, 13 years? I'd say that's a pretty nice outcome, right? If you want to, you could also tell it, backtest this, assuming it's a $10,000 account or $5,000 account, whatever you want to do, right? Obviously, it scales in proportion, but sometimes, you know, when you have a different amount of money, especially smaller accounts with like options trading or something, it does actually make a meaningful difference, right? So it could be useful to backtest with different amounts as well, right?
Okay. And so does this take into account the broker fees or are there no broker fees for Alpaca?
So yeah, there are no broker fees with Alpaca for starters, right? They're like Robinhood, right? So there are no broker fees, but if you wanted to, you could, right? You could just tell the AI, incorporate X amount of broker fees, whatever, and it could do that for you. Yeah. Any other questions? Yep. No, we have our own servers. Yeah, so we use LumiBot, which is our open source library, to do the backtesting, and we run it on AWS. Yeah. The market data, we get it from the brokers, right? So this is using, I believe, Interactive Brokers data. Yeah. Yeah, but if you link your broker, we can actually get you a lot more data. There's a lot of like rules around this. So, you know, we can't be giving away too much data for free. Not, I would love to, but they won't allow us, you know what I mean? But if you link your broker, then we could actually give you more data from your broker because you're legally allowed to use your own data, right? So cool. Okay, so there's the result, right? Like I said, around 40% annual return, 9,488%. I'd say that's not bad, right? Okay, so now let's say I want to deploy this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, okay, deploy this to a, I'll just say deploy this, right?